Hello, welcome everybody. Today we'll be doing a chicken casserole. So make sure that you preheat your oven to 200 degrees. The next step will be basically cooking up the water. Make sure to put some salt. I also cut my chicken in strips, so we'll imitate really the shape of a pasta we have. And today we're using penne. It's gluten free. I got it from Asda. I really like it. It's cheap and very, very tasty. So next, just some oil on the pan. Make sure it's hot, and then we chuck our chicken to the pan. I also put some spices. So this time I use sea salt, black pepper, some chili flakes because I like the heat. Also some garlic powder and sweet paprika. Also, I like to add some mixed herbs. You cannot go wrong. No one's really like tasteless chicken. Make sure your chicken is cooked evenly. I put enough spices to cover both sides. The next step will be to grate our cheese. So it's always a workout for me. If any one of you knows any graters which are not manual, please let me know. I would love to use it. It would be so much more easier, but I don't have it, so I'm going old school. We put the cheese on the side and then start cooking our pasta. The next step will be adding the sauce to our chicken. Make sure that the chicken is cooked and then just mix it up. I always heat it up, this sauce with the chicken. And the next, just on our dish, we put in grated cheese on the bottom. I like to do it because then everything is nicely melted all together. And now we let it simmer. The next step will be draining our pasta when it's done and adding it to the pan and mix it all together with chicken and sauce. I like to do it on the pan. I cannot be bothered with cleaning any other dishes, so it's just super simple. And then we will put everything in our dish. So spread it evenly and cover with cheese. So I grated a bit of less cheese than I expected I will need it. So I needed to do extra grating, but it's up to your preference. I like it super cheesy. And now just put it in your oven. It doesn't need any cooking, so it's just a matter of melting the cheese and make it crusty on top. I would say around 10 minutes, but just make sure that you're checking it up to not burn it. And voila, we have it. Super simple, super crusty. You can hear it sizzling. This is the most beautiful sounds on earth. And such a dish will last me for 4 portions. If you have a family, that's a great for dinner or lunch. Or if you are alone, you can just do it for your prep meal. So that will be it for today. Thank you very much for watching and hope to see you soon on the next video.